What's up, everybody? It's the Connect 860. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Got some new content coming up for 2021, so you want to stay in tune with the latest reviews, latest sneakers, music news, reviews, movie reviews, all that good stuff. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest information. I recently wanted to get a new pair of glasses, so I decided to try one of these online ordering systems. Since COVID, a lot of things are shut down. So I went ahead, did a little research, and it pretty much boiled down to two places, Warby Parker or Glasses USA. I decided to go with Glasses USA, and this is why. I did the online, you post your picture, and it'll show your face with the different types of glasses on it. Both of them had some glasses that I liked. So Warby Parker, they allow you to pick 5 pairs of glasses, and I did that for 3 rounds, okay? 3 rounds of 5. So they send you 5, you try them on. If you don't like it, you put the 5 back in the box, ship it back to them, pick a new 5 if you don't like them, so on and so forth. So I did it 3 times, and every time, the way they looked when they got here wasn't the same as when I tried them on online. And I know it's just a hit or miss with these things, but Glasses USA got it right the first time, okay? The only difference with Glasses USA is they don't ship you 5 pair to try. You pick the ones you like, you fill out with your prescription, and they ship you the glasses. But they have a no hassle return policy. So you get to choose see the actual glasses with your prescription in them. If you don't like them, you ship them back, they give you money back, no problem. Warby Parker, I will say a plus for them is they do have fast shipping. They got courteous service. They're available for you at any time. The glasses felt like they were made out of plastic. More so like maybe it was just the ones I chose. I was trying to keep them under $100. So most of those options just had like a recycled plastic feel to them. I can't say nothing about the durability or how long they would last. Like I said, all the options that I chose were just plastic. They don't have too many. I'm 6'4", 220. I needed like the large to extra large size. Maybe I have a big head, whatever. So the options was very slim. So I ran through all of those and none of them worked. With the Glasses USA, they got a wide selection if you're in the large area or extra large area. You don't necessarily have to be tall to have a big head, but if you do, they got some nice options that work for you. What I did was I went to my eye doctor, had him do a prescription on me. They printed it out. I used that same information and sent it to Glasses USA. You can either type it in yourself or just scan the paperwork from your eye doctor, and they do all the rest for you. Let's get into the glasses. These are the Atado. I went with the gold frames on this one. Nice sturdy glasses. Metal or stainless steel with the gold touch on them. And then I also went with same maker, but these are supposed to be a different model. But as I compare them, they both look the same. This is kind of like my style. These are the glasses I had before. So I just like that rectangular style. To me, they're all-around style. You know, you can wear them if you're dressed up, or if you can wear them if you're just chilling with sneakers on. So they kind of got like a universal feel to them. I didn't want to get something that's too sporty or something that I couldn't wear to work, you know, or to an interview or something like that. Glasses USA got nice customer service. They're available for you 24 hours. I was actually able to pick up both of these pairs for $45, okay? They had a Black Friday sale, 65% off. They got buy one, get one free, depending on which ones you pick. Sometimes, you know, the buy one, get one free, you gotta spend at least $220. They got some name brand, Ray-Ban and Gucci and things like that. I just wanted a basic pair of glasses, but I wanted 2 pair for a good price, and I was able to accomplish that at Glasses USA. They both came with their own separate case with extra with extra eyepieces or nose guards with the screws. They came with the lens wipes. Same thing for this one. Nice sturdy hard case. And they came with cleaning wipes, just like a little sample. So originally these were supposed to be about $80 to $85 each. Like I said, I got them both for $45. The sale was incredible. I picked like 5 or 6 that I liked and then just went through them and narrowed it down to certain ones. These came in gold, black, gray, or silver, bronze even. These came in like a stainless steel brush, black, maybe even brown. So I just went 1 black pair, 1 gold pair. I'm actually got a few in my cart now. I'm gonna go back and order like 2 more pairs, different styles. That's how good they are. That's how good the prices were. What else could I tell you? Okay, this is how it breaks down. So you pick your frame, whether it be whatever price your frame is. Now your standard prescription is free. That means the lens don't have scratch resistant, no, UV rays resistant, or they got the blue shield on them. Like if you're looking at a computer all the time or on your tablet all the time, it's supposed to protect your eyes and things like that. Every time you pick a new option, it adds $10, $15 to your lens. Now, if you go with the standard with no protection, nothing like that, it's free. So since this was my first order, I just went with the standard. So it literally only cost me that $45. Now my next pair I get, I'm not gonna go with the transition. They got the transition lenses, they got the UV protection, they got the scratch protection, they got the anti-fog. All those, every time you pick one, it adds $10 to your total. So the next one, I'm probably gonna go with the anti-scratch, anti-fog, since when I'm wearing my mask at work, these fog up. Okay, I'm gonna let you know right now, these fog up. Now, I know they have the spray, the anti-fog spray, but the next pair I get, I'm gonna just make sure they're anti-fog, and that takes care of that. I'm not quite comfortable with the transition lenses right now, but maybe in the future, that's something I could try out. So overall, I'm very pleased with Glasses USA. They took about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive, and I think that's only because of the holiday. Right now it's December, 2 weeks before Christmas, so shipping everywhere is backed up. I feel like if I would have ordered them in, June or July, they would have arrived in maybe a week, because it takes them 3 days to make, and then another 2 days to process, do the QA checks, and then get them out to you. So if you order them on a Monday, I feel like they will definitely be there by the following Monday. But during the holidays, it just added more time to it. All right. So like I said, overall, for your standard day-to-day wear, these are very comfortable. I feel like they're very good glasses. I would order from them again. Once again, it's glassesusa.com. Go ahead and check them out and see what if you find a pair that you like. When you're ready, you take a picture of yourself, good lighting, you upload it, and then they have this program where it look like you have any glasses that you pick, how they would look when they're on your face. I'm familiar with this style glasses, so I already kind of knew that these was going to work for me. Once again, it's the Connect 860. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm out.
Play the grip for the jeans, 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 play the grip for the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans. Play the grip for the jeans. Play the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean. Plus the slippers is clean. Plus the slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans. 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 Plus the slippers is clean. Plus the slippers is clean. Plus the slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans.